Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Cloud Functions on your computer step by step clearly. To install Google Cloud Functions on your computer, start by ensuring you have the necessary prerequisites. You will need to have Node.js installed on your machine. If you don't have Node.js, visit the official Node.js website and download the latest version. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Next, you will need to install the Google Cloud SDK. Go to the Google Cloud SDK download page and download the installer suitable for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the instructions to set up the Google Cloud SDK. Once the Google Cloud SDK is installed, open your command line interface. In the command line, initialize the Google Cloud SDK by running the command. This will prompt you to log in to your Google account. Follow the instructions to authorize the SDK with your Google account. Now, you need to install the Functions framework using npm. In your command line, type npm install at Google Cloud/Functions framework and press enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, create a new directory for your Cloud Functions project. Navigate to this new directory in your command line. Inside the directory, you will create an index.js file. This file will hold your function code. Open the index.js file in your preferred code editor. Write your Cloud function in this file. Next, you will create a package.json file to manage your project dependencies. You can create this file by running the command npm init in your command line. Now, you need to set up your deployment configuration. Create a new file named function.yaml in your project directory. In this YAML file, specify the necessary configurations for your Cloud function. Once you have set up your function and configurations, it's time to deploy. Use the command Cloud Functions deploy function_name to deploy your function. Replace function_name with the actual name of your Cloud function. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.